Did you know that there's a chatbot for education that you can actually use today? But the question is, can it replace teachers?
He takes orders from no one except you.
When some people hear about artificial intelligence, chatbots, and machine learning, they might think of humanoid robots like those from the sci-fi movie I, Robot. Or they might think about not so smart bots, like maybe a failed conversation with a chatbot. And these two are both pretty much extremes. So to answer the question, can a chatbot take a teacher's job? The short answer is absolutely not. So why should we use them? According to a study done by Scholastic and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, teachers are asking for more time and resources to do their jobs effectively. And chatbots might be the part of this solution. The idea is to think about chatbots as personal assistants that you can message and ask simple things. When integrated to your calendar, for example, they can be really good at reminding you of things and giving you information that you need at the right time.
We believe that teachers spend too much time on administrative tasks.
This is Yusuf Nisamuddin. He's a software engineer at Skooler.
We have therefore developed a bot which could work as a personal assistant to teachers, enabling them to spend more time teaching in the classroom.
Skooler is a company from Norway that creates educational tools. And they are partnering up with another company you might have heard of, Microsoft. Together, they have created a chatbot that is specifically made for schools and education, and it wants to give teachers more time to do what we want them to do: educate our children. Students in elementary school spend around 6 hours a day at school. This means about 30 hours a week. Teachers and school leaders, on the other hand, spend on average 54.4 hours a week. This means that the 24 hours extra is just on administrative tasks and paperwork. We can stack this up to the average American work week, which is roughly 38 hours a week. And that's quite the difference. If a chatbot could do the repetitive tasks, answer simple questions, and help finish tasks quicker, the teacher can focus on establishing a stronger relationship with the students and provide better quality mentorship with each individual student. In fact, Skooler and Microsoft Chatbot for Teams has a comprehensive list of features already, so that means that technology is coming along. And while a chatbot and AI can be smart, they will never understand things like we humans do. They are able to recite millions of books perfectly word for word, but they lack the emotional intelligence that we humans have acquired in years of learning. So no, it cannot take a teacher's job, but it might be able to help them to do a better job.